the controlling cycle control the one element to other element. So that is a normal sequence. That means wood is controlling earth, earth is controlling water, water is controlling fire, fire is controlling metal. When we apply the organs, for example, liver is controlling the spleen, and the spleen is controlling the kidney, and kidney is controlling the heart. So likewise, if you see here, for example, what happens if the element get over control over the one other element? That means one organ is controlling, other organ over controlling. Normal controlling is different, and over controlling is different. That means we have the element should be in a proper and optimal level of functioning. So if the over controlling happens, what happens to the other element, how it is affected? For example, let us consider liver is always stressed guy, and what if the liver is getting stressed here? It is over controlling to the spleen. That is we know that the earth element has a digestive properties and related to the digestive functioning. So if the liver is getting stress and gallbladder is getting stress, that leads to the digestive issues. Digestive issue. It is overacting means, that means the rebellion of the chi, which leads to the acid refluxes and acidity and heartburn, or any kind of nausea, vomiting sensations, or any kind of relating to the over chi, basic mechanism of the over controlling. This is normal controlling is required, but over controlling is leads to the imbalance of the this theory. So that is how we can consider, and we have to treat the elements. So for another example, if the digestive element is affected, that means the mother is not nourishing to the metal, again it is connected to the immune system. That leads to the lungs and large intestine deficiency. So we have to tonify this one and balance the wood and earth again. So again this immune system, the fire is controlling over the immune system. If the fire having the over control over the metal, that means he has a insomnia or sleep problems, or disturbed sleep. The sleep may get after 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, like that. That means it affects directly on the this one immune system also. Again it is depressed, that means it affects to the water, again it will affect to the wood again. Like that, it is a cycle. We need to check whether where exactly the root cause has started. We have to treat that point. That means here the stress is started actually. For example, if the stress is the main reason for this cause, this one immunity problem, digestive problem, that means we are taking more stress here. So we have to treat to the liver and gallbladder. So likewise, like chain, again first we have to treat the liver and gallbladder, again we have to balance the earth, again we have to balance the water, again like that we have to control the fire, that is means heart and small intestine. Likewise, we have to choose the organs properly. We have to check whether which element is over controlling over the other element, so other organs we can say. So I hope you are understanding. That is how the core cycle is built here. I'll show you another cycle is called insulting cycle, we can say. We know the core cycle, right? Likewise, example, if the core cycle is controlling the earth, sometimes what happens, the earth gives the feedback to the wood again. It is insulting to the wood. That means if the earth is if the wood is controlling earth, which means the liver is controlling the spleen, sometimes the spleen doing insult to the liver. That is a insulting cycle. So this is a different concept. That means we can say counteracting to the other element also, we can say. So insulting cycle also called as a counteracting cycle, when the controlling relationship reverses. Means the element is that normally control rebels and insult the controller. Narration in the healthy body, elements keeps each other in the check through the controlling cycle, but if this control become imbalance or reverse, this it's called as the insulting cycle. This can lead to disharmony and disease. So obviously, like controlling cycle only, it is also called as insulting cycle. If you check this normal controlling and insulting controlling reversed here, wood controls the earth insults the wood again. So that is also a disease condition, we can